First order of the day. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $12.50 for 7 miles, one item. It does look like it's going downtown. It's early enough to where there might not be traffic there yet. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. Morning.
What is your date of birth? Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Looks like we're going to some apartments, and they said that they will meet me in the lobby, which should make this a lot quicker for me. I think I know where I'm going, maybe.
Jake?
Yes.
Cool.
And then I saw the signs that saying stuff's gonna be blocked off, so I'm like, I'm just gonna park wherever I can and figure it out.
I totally even forgot about, because
Sundays.
The half marathon this morning.
And then
I think it starts and they're
on
gonna
that.
be like barricading everything off.
Yeah.
Cool. Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah, no
Have a
problem.
good one.
You too. Decent payout. So I got an order for muchas gracias. Obviously a Mexican restaurant. I believe it's at $8.50 going 5 miles.
Gracias.
I've got to pick up for... Really need to get out of the downtown area after this one. Been playing with fire way too much. I know it's gonna get super crowded any second now. Just had a McDonald's order come in. $11.50 for 6 miles. Is this ready? Let's find out.
I'm waiting on the food right now. I'll be done. There's one more back.
You too. Meet at door.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
You have a good day. Thank you. Just got a Starbucks order. $11 for 6 miles. Thank you. Busy, busy, busy. Just got a McDonald's order. $7.25 for 5 miles. Thank you. Have this one. This person ordered sausage egg McMuffin and a sausage egg biscuit, both with no sausage. Is that not something that they offer on the menu?
Your destination is on the left.
Got a shop and deliver order. $9.50 for 3 miles, 3 items. Should be pretty easy. Where would I find tomato bisque?
Right. Tomato bits, right.
Perfect, thank you so much. 2 of these.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. took a River Maiden order, $12 for 7 miles.
They were still working on it. Just be a few more minutes.
Thank you. You too. Could have been worse. Had much longer wait times there, so. Shop and deliver for some alcohol. $12.25 for 5 miles. Looking for this. All it says is wine, so I have no idea where to even look.
So, wow, what the hell? Why is it doing this now?
It's so weird because usually
Yeah, it tells you like what bay and everything.
Is it the blocking in the water?
Thank you.
it's a good idea though.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too.
The receipt is in the bag. Also,
Thank
have
you.
a good one.
You too. There we go.
Thank you.
And just scribble on that line. Good enough for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really love it when customers don't look at their phones, especially when the GPS is taking me the wrong way and I have to guess where I'm going. Time is 10:59. Total is $94 plus a few Uber tips yet to come in. Should be putting me at about 110, maybe a little bit more, but I'm kind of hungry. I think I might just go get food and call it a day. Yeah, let's do that. Bye.